How to resize images in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can resize images in Canva. So let's get it started. So at first you'll have to firstly open the Canva on your laptop or PC. So I'm opening the Canva in web browser. So I'm opening the Canva, and now from here on the page you'll have to import or add a picture we want to resize. So I will choose this picture. Okay, so I have added this picture from here. So to resize it, I will have to go with the options like I can resize it from here like this, or I can customly resize this picture by clicking on this resize option just at the top left corner of the screen. So by selecting this picture and clicking on this resize option, I will be able to resize this image. So I can resize it by custom size or Instagram story or social media with an height, so I can use custom size. So make sure that to use this feature you have the Canva Pro subscriptions. So if you have not Canva Pro subscription, you will go with the free version. So you can now customize height and width from here. So from here you can also right click on the image and click on this set image as background. So after clicking on this image, you will be able to resize this image at the background, and to revert that you will have again right click on that and again click on detach image from background. So likewise, you can also resize the images in Canva by using the Pro feature or Premium. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. I will surely cover up that problems or contents on my next video. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.